Hi guys, if you don't know me, my name is Jake and the channel you're watching, 707 Dude Who Loves Planes, is all about aviation and stuff linked to planes. In today's video, I will be unboxing the other half of my model aircraft. Again, this is the smaller version, the smaller planes of the 5 planes I have. There are 2 in this box right here. Yes, and that will complete my little collection for now. So let's get into the video. So, got my box. Finally came in the post. If you're American, finally came in the mail. So let's open it. I've already opened it, as you can see. That's why it's like this. It didn't come like this. Yeah, so I'm gonna open it now. I just opened the box, made sure the airplanes were in there before I open it on camera and then find out it's not in there, because that would be pretty weird. Little turn note that you get in every package. So first off, we have our cookies. Youch! I just dropped the plane. Okay, you don't know it yet. I haven't told you. I think I've told you what type of airplane it is. Haven't told you what airline it is. Bam ba bam, bam ba bam. That's right. It's Air France. Air France. Airbus A320. Woohoo! Yep. So I have selected a Airbus A320 for my aircraft. The first smaller aircraft. Hopefully the engine isn't broken or something, or the wheel, because I've just dropped it. Yeah, anyway, second one is is this the other way around? It's supposed to be like that? No. Oh, that's upside down. It's supposed to be like this. Okay. I have chosen as well a American Airlines Boeing 737-800. Yeah, quite nice aircraft. I know they're quite far apart, the two airlines, based in France, based in America. You know, they're quite far away, but yeah, so that's the rest of the box. If we put all this stuff back in here first. I'm going to open the Air France one first. The one I just previously dropped on the floor. I'm going to open it now. Hopefully it's still in one piece. Oh, sigh of relief. Whew. What nice little model. The sigh of relief. It's out safely. No harm in this little fella. You know what I'm going to do? For this unboxing, I'm going to put camera to my desk so you can see it a bit better. So I've got a little Air France. Now, in a minute, this is my second attempt with this plane. My first attempt, well, the engine kind of broke, and my first attempt with the A737, the wheel broke off. So, like, second time lucky, you know. So far, so good. I think last time when I first got it was like the first one. I was so excited, and I think I touched it a bit too roughly, but this time I'm going to be extra careful on touching these smaller planes, because the smaller planes are a lot fragiler than the larger planes, obviously because they're smaller, you know, they're more nimble, they're more fragile. So yeah, so that is the Airbus A320. I believe it is a Dash Neo, but I'm not really sure because it didn't actually say on the box. You think I know, but I don't actually know. But yeah, so I'm going to carefully put this to the side. I'm going to obviously put it back in its packet, its little box, so it's not broken, so it doesn't get broken. I think the camera's definitely better like this. I should have done this last time. I just didn't think of it. But yeah, because you can see it a lot better instead of me trying to hold it up and stuff. But yeah, so I'm not going to put it back in the box like I did last time. I'm just going to leave it out. Now, the wheel broke off on this one. My dad said if this breaks again, you're just gluing it back together. You know, wouldn't be a bad idea. Whew, okay. Oh, also in NG, on the NG models, you also get a little card, a little points card. I think if you go online, and then you get a free plane after so many points. Obviously, because we got this before, we have like 4 cards now. My little one from the I keep on saying Airbus, and from the Boeing 737-800 American Airlines model. It did come with like a little protector thing and stuff like that. So the wheel broke off last time. Fiddling with the wheel for some reason, I shouldn't be. But I can say this time it has survived. It's because this one broke. It was already broken in the package. So this one survived the whole shipping. Now on the screen, these planes look huge. Compared to my hand, it's small. Okay, and let me just get the A380 quickly. I know I could pause it, but you know, to me it's a bit better if I keep it on. A380. Okay, now compared to the humongous A380, gee, look, the wingspan is bigger than the aircraft. That just puts in context how big the A380 is compared. Put it back up again. You see it? I know my thumb's in the way quite a lot, but do you see the difference in size? No, size of the wingspan. Yeah. A380 down. Jeez. It doesn't even have a good box. But yeah, so that's it. It's very small. Yeah. A lot smaller than I expected actually. I mean, I've already unboxed it before. But yeah, compared to that A380, it's teeny tiny. So yeah, so I'm gonna put this back in its packet, make sure it's all nice, and yeah, just make sure it doesn't break again. Yeah. So that's it really, a lot shorter video than the last one. But not every video can be a longer video. I don't have my airport map out today, so it'll take quite a long time for me to get it out and put the planes on there, so I'm just not going to do that today. Although I was thinking about making another stop motion on the aircraft I received today. But yeah, so, but that is part 2. That is the last part until I get more planes. Think maybe my birthday, probably request some planes, or Christmas when I'm spending money. I'll get some more of those. I'm not sure if I'll go big or small. Hard to decide. Though I do really want an Aer Lingus A321. Yeah. That's what I want. So, if I get any spending money, that will be straight down on my list. I was also thinking about Virgin Atlantic A350. Yeah, and then I was thinking, just an idea, I was going to get a Loganair Embraer 145. Believe that's what Ryanair uses in their fleet. But yeah, so they're the 3 planes that are next on my wish list. The Aer Lingus and Loganair will probably be coming first because they're a lot smaller planes, and then the Virgin Atlantic will be like after that. Although they are quite expensive, so although I know I've just gone off subject again. Although these could help, I'm sure ND does some sort of a model Aer Lingus or something like that. But yeah, so that's enough for today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 50 subscribers by the end of the year, like I mentioned so many times. We're on 35 now, so what, 15 away? That's pretty good. I'm sure we can do that by the end of the year. 3 months left? If not, well then, oh well, we couldn't do it, but it's a good target and we're very close to it. So if you could help with that, like, and just so I know you're appreciating the videos that I put out. I try and do the best on them, the best I can, but unfortunately sometimes it couldn't be the best video I've ever made. Yes. Share with all your family and friends and make more people know about the 787 Dude Who Loves Planes channel, and that's how we're going to get to 50 subscribers by the end of the year. Yeah, so there's only one thing left, 2 actually. I'm going off subject. At the end of the video, again, there could be a plane spotting video up, although I was thinking about saving that for the New Year special. So, if you're having clues about what the New Year special is, keep in mind that could be it. It'd be an airport up in Scotland. Now, there's a big reason it would be in Scotland, because I'm going to Scotland and stuff soon. Yeah, so that's what I'm thinking about doing for the New Year special. Yeah, anyway, there's only one thing left to say now, is that enjoy the rest of your day. Bye! Thank you for watching my videos.